As any of my wonderful current or past coworkers can tell you, I am not known for my brevity, so strap in.
We were meant to live together, walking hand in hand together.
Caleb, my love, this is the moment we've been waiting for.
Thank you. Thank you. I needed that. As many of you know, the day I proposed, I was unable to speak. Do it again.
My organizational proclivities aren't a secret, so I wasn't shocked when, in the weeks following our engagement, people said things like, "I bet you had your entire wedding planned before you met Caleb." The truth is, I never imagined this day before you. Because I never imagined a love this great before you. Only for him, Mom?
Let him go first.
Were we not supposed to do that?
Cry or
No,
kiss?
kiss.
It's okay. I think you can
Okay.
do whatever you want.
You may kiss Caleb. You may kiss your bride.
I love you now and forever.
And I vow to never take this for granted. I vow to always love you.